People are very familiar with professions in the medical fields like nursing and, being a physician's assistant. But there are so many other ways of helping people. And so if your desire is to ever give back or make change or work on social policy, or maybe you've been a survivor, or maybe you have come full circle in your recovery and you think, I want to be on the other side of that. Those types of things, that would be a reason that you would want to explore our program further. Hello, I'm Sarah Moore, and I'm a faculty member in Human Services and Restorative Justice. So this is our classroom space. This is the space we use for most of the teaching. And what's unique about this space is it's the same space where you can find your professor's office. Human Services and Restorative Justice has 3 labs on campus. 2 of the labs are set up with recording devices because for 3 of the classes within the program, students are required to come to the lab to model the skills and practice the skills that they've learned in the classroom. And the 3rd lab we refer to as the telehealth lab. Students learn about creating therapeutic relationships. They learn about building rapport. They learn about organizations. They learn about hierarchy in organizations. They learn about change. One of the misconceptions that we come up against every once in a while is people will assume we are human resources. And so human services is helping people through whatever it is the need that they have. Human resources is usually an office of individuals that work for an organization to talk about employee benefits and salaries and the other things that employers offer. As far as the restorative justice component goes, many people are familiar with criminal justice. It's been around for a long time. People see that as the punitive side of things. Restorative justice really looks at the person, the situation at hand, why did it happen, and what can we do instead of penalizing people to help people to repair, to rehabilitate. The overarching goal in human services and restorative justice is to help individuals reach their potential and to be as self-sufficient as possible.